Welcome to the instructional video on how to fit one of our 4G modems. We're going to start off by having a look at what's inside the box. We have the fitting and wiring guide, and we have the modem itself, and we've got a little fitting pack, so you've got some glands and some grommets just to help you out. There are the screws to fix it to the wall. Over this side we have just a short patch lead to connect between the modem and the DMS or Pro Hub that you're fitting. We've got the 4G antenna, and just inside the box we have just a 2-core power connector and a little terminal block. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to take the lid off the top of the modem box. Just that slides off. And here is the modem. What we need to do is, first off, we need to connect the antenna to it. So the easiest way of doing it is actually threading it up through the hole first, turning that at 90 degrees, and then screwing that onto that. Like so. So now the antenna's fit, what we need to do is we need to find the best position for the modem. It's usually close to the DMS or the Pro Hub that you actually need to get online. And we'll look how to make the connections.